top 5 AI tools for business AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's the backbone of modern business. Companies are using it to cut costs, work faster, and even create new ways to make money. And while some tools are great for personal use, the real game changers are built to solve big business challenges like training teams, scaling customer support, building apps, and automating boring tasks. The truth is, businesses that use these tools are pulling ahead so fast, their competition can't keep up. So want to see the AI tools that are shaping the future of business? Let's dive in. Tool 1. Lumio AI, the multi-model advantage. Let's start with Lumio AI because it solves one of the biggest challenges every business leader faces today, relying too heavily on a single AI model. Think about it. ChatGPT might be excellent for generating written content, but it can sometimes fall short in data-heavy reasoning. Claude, on the other hand, is great at summarizing and simplifying complex text, while Google's Gemini has strengths in research and information retrieval. Each model has its advantages, but also its blind spots. So, how do you decide which one to use without wasting time or money? That's exactly where Lumio AI steps in. Instead of locking you into just one system, it's built as a multi-model platform, giving you access to several of the top AI models all in one place. You can switch between them instantly, depending on your needs. Imagine sitting at a round table with a writer, a researcher, and a data analyst, all experts in their field, ready to give you their best insights whenever you ask. That's the kind of flexibility Lumio delivers. For businesses, this is a game changer. You can draft marketing content, run detailed market analysis, fact-check information, and even compare outputs from different models to ensure accuracy. It's like having a built-in quality control system for AI. On top of that, Lumio helps optimize costs because you only use the right model for the right task, rather than overspending on one tool that isn't designed to handle everything. Now, while Lumio solves the problem of flexibility, what if your challenge isn't content or analysis, but actually training your team or explaining products to customers? That's where the next tool shines. Tool 2, Trupeer AI. Every business runs into the same frustrating problem, and that is training people takes too long, and it's rarely consistent. New employees often need weeks of onboarding before they're productive, and customers constantly demand clear, step-by-step guides that cost companies valuable time and resources to produce. That's exactly the challenge Trupeer AI is designed to solve. Instead of spending hours recording training sessions or writing lengthy manuals, Trupeer automates the entire process. Imagine needing to train a new hire on how to use your CRM. With Trupeer, you can instantly generate a polished video walkthrough, complete with visuals, text overlays, and even professional narration. The same applies to customer onboarding. Your product demos, tutorials, and support guides can be produced in minutes, not weeks. The benefits go beyond speed. Trupeer guarantees consistency, ensuring every employee and every customer receives the same high-quality training experience, no matter when or where they access it. Businesses already using it are cutting training costs dramatically and watching productivity rise faster than ever. What if you could go beyond training materials and actually add a digital teammate that works alongside your staff every day? That's exactly where Artisan AI enters the picture. Tool 3, Artisan AI, your digital colleagues. Imagine hiring a new employee who never gets tired, never takes breaks, and never complains about repetitive tasks. Sounds unrealistic, right? Yet, that's exactly the vision behind Artisan AI, a platform that's building what it calls digital colleagues. These aren't your average chatbots. Artisan's AI agents are designed to manage entire workflows from start to finish. For instance, you could assign one AI colleague to customer support, answering routine questions 24/7 without missing a beat. Another could handle admin work, updating spreadsheets, sending reminders, or organizing documents, tasks that usually eat up hours of valuable time. The idea isn't to give you just another tool, but an actual teammate who works quietly and reliably in the background. What truly sets Artisan apart is adaptability. Unlike old-school automation systems that follow rigid rule-based scripts, Artisan's AI learns and evolves with your business. Over time, it becomes smarter, more efficient, and better at handling unique challenges. Companies using Artisan report huge time savings, improved consistency, and happier employees, because their human staff can finally focus on higher-level, creative, and strategic work while their digital colleagues handle the repetitive grind. If Artisan gives you AI teammates, what if you could actually build new tools and apps for your business, even if you don't know a single line of code? That's where Base 44 comes in. Tool 4. Base 44, no-code app building with AI. One of the biggest roadblocks for businesses today is software development. You might have a brilliant idea for a tool, an internal dashboard to track performance, a customer-facing app, or even a simple workflow system. But turning that idea into reality usually requires hiring developers, waiting months, and spending thousands of dollars. That's the problem Base 44 is solving. Recently acquired by Wix, this no-code AI platform is reshaping how businesses build apps. Here's the magic. Instead of writing lines of complex code, you simply describe what you need in plain English. And Base 44's AI does the heavy lifting. Want a mobile app to track employee hours? Done. Need a web portal where customers can log in and monitor their orders? Easy. The platform instantly generates functional prototypes, which you can then tweak and customize, all without touching a single line of code. The impact of this is massive, especially for small and medium-sized businesses. They no longer need large IT departments or expensive outsourcing. With Base 44, prototyping is faster, launches happen sooner, and costs drop significantly. In short, it makes app creation as simple as writing an email. Now, while Base 44 empowers you to build apps without coding, what if your business needs something even broader? An all-in-one assistant that can handle writing, research, design, and communication. That's exactly where Nexus AI comes in. Tool 5. Nexus AI. The all-in-one productivity boost. There's one tool on this list that truly feels like the future of work. It's Nexus AI. Think of it as your multi-talented digital assistant, a single platform that combines writing, research, design, and communication features. Instead of juggling 5 different tools for 5 different tasks, Nexus brings everything together in one seamless workspace. Imagine your marketing team needs to create a campaign. Normally, they'd open one app to write a blog post, another to design a banner, and a third to draft a social media plan. With Nexus AI, all of this can happen in a single platform. It can generate high-quality content, design professional visuals, and even prepare the outreach strategy, all in minutes, not days. What makes Nexus AI so exciting is its versatility. It's not tied to one department. Marketing teams can use it for campaigns, HR can use it for onboarding materials, managers can use it for research and reports, and product teams can brainstorm features or design mock-ups. For small businesses, Nexus feels like hiring an entire digital staff. For larger companies, it reduces tool overload and streamlines collaboration, cutting down wasted time. In short, Nexus AI isn't just about efficiency. It's about empowering businesses to move faster, smarter, and with fewer resources. Stepping back for a moment, these 5 tools together show us something bigger than just technology. They represent the new DNA of business. So there you have it, 5 of the newest and most effective AI tools for business. Lumio AI gives you the power of multiple AI brains in one. Trappier AI transforms training and onboarding. Artisan AI provides you with tireless digital colleagues. Base 44 helps you build apps without coding. And Nexus AI brings everything together as an all-in-one productivity powerhouse. These aren't the generic AI tools everyone's already talking about. They're fresh, specialized, and built to solve real business challenges. Whether you're running a startup or managing a large company, adopting even one of these could save you time, money, and stress. That's the exciting part about this journey. We're standing at the edge of a revolution where businesses that embrace AI will thrive, and those that resist may fade away. The tools we've explored today are not just apps or platforms. They're the building blocks of tomorrow's economy, and the companies that start using them now are writing the future of business in real time. So, which of these tools would you try first in your business? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to see what resonates most. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI videos.